In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer all emails and contacts from one Gmail account to another. We'll start in the Gmail account you're moving away from. Sign in, then look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. From there, open the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. Find the Pop section and turn on Pop for all mail. This tells Gmail it's okay for another account to fetch copies of every message in this mailbox, not just new ones. Make sure to save your changes before leaving this page. That quick switch is what enables the transfer to work behind the scenes. Now switch over to the Gmail account you're moving to. Sign in, click the gear icon again, and open Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab and select Import Mail and Contacts. When prompted, enter the address of your old Gmail account and follow the on-screen steps to link the two. You'll be asked to grant permission so your new inbox can access and import from the old one. Go ahead and allow it. Next, choose what you'd like to bring over, mail, contacts, or both. Confirm, and the import will begin. Depending on how much you have, this can take a while, so don't worry if you don't see everything immediately. The import runs in the background, and you can continue using your new Gmail normally while it completes. To make sure your contacts arrive exactly as you want them, you can also export them from the old account and import them into the new one. In the old Gmail account, open Google Contacts. Click Export and choose the Google CSV format, which is designed for moving contacts between Google accounts. Download the CSV file and keep it handy. Next, sign into your new Gmail account and open Google Contacts there. Click Import and upload the CSV file you just downloaded. Once the upload finishes, your contacts will appear in the new account. If you see duplicates, Gmail usually provides options to clean them up later, but that can be handled after everything has arrived. That's it. By enabling Pop in the old account, starting the import in the new account, and importing the contacts CSV, you're covering both your messages and your address book. Nothing gets deleted from the old account, so you'll still have access there if you need to double-check anything. Give the process time to finish, and when it's done, your emails and contacts will be ready to use in your new Gmail.